Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to install Autodesk Navisworks Freedom application on your laptop or desktop. Open any browser and type here Autodesk Navisworks Freedom. Enter, and you can see here the first link. You can click Autodesk website. It is redirected to Autodesk website. You can see a free Navisworks viewers. So this is the free application to install here. If you want the full application, you can download, but it is only trial version. After that you have to purchase from the official websites. And you can see here download Navisworks Freedom. There is different versions available, 2026 and 2027 as well. So we will install here 2027 instead of 2026. So just click here. It is downloading the setup. You can see this is the big file, 1.3 GB, but it is free application. This useful for the BIM and CAD model viewer, and this is free. Officially Autodesk is providing us to view the drawings, NWD, 3D, DWF files, formats, and also it is completely free. Open large BIM models without any interruptions, and also it has many features available. After the installation, you can open any file related to Navisworks, so you can check the project files, and also you can comments, markups, red lines, animation. So you can do these small things on this viewer. So let it be downloaded. Now it is downloaded, so just wait. Open downloads folder. You can see here it is downloaded. Now we will try to install this one. Right click and run as administrator. Now you can see it is starting the installer of 2027 Navisworks Freedom, and this one is excellent application for BIM project review. So it will useful for civil engineers, architects, structural engineers, MEP engineers, BIM coordinators, and also construction managers, project clients, students, many other people. So you can see here it is open in folder or run installer. We will do run installer, so it will install directly. So it will take a little bit time. You can wait until it is installed. So if you want to use this Navisworks Freedom, you can download and you can install, and you can review the drawings of BIM models. So it will be, you will be familiar with the application, how it is usable. So it will navigate through the buildings, bridges, plants, and other construction projects. So you can zoom and pan, orbit, work, and fly through the models, view objects, properties, and saved view points as well. So review coordination models shared by your team as well on this Navisworks Freedoms. So wait for a few minutes. So it is installing. You can see here we will accept the terms and conditions, click and next. So it is installing in C drive, program files, Autodesk. You can proceed install. So it will take some time to install complete application, so wait for the installation. Once it is in downloading installation finish, so we can open the application. So if you have any files, you can open here and view the file as well. You can see here it is installing. Still it is allowing to start the application, so you can view. Now you can see it is installed. Just click start. So this is the best application to view the Navisworks NWD and 3D DWF files to view. So also it is smooth and it can handle many things: view objects, properties, selection trees, saved viewpoints, as well as sectioning tools, measurement tools, model appearance, construction simulation playback, animations, comments and markups, cross-discipline collaboration, user-friendly interface, and also large model performance. And you have to know that there is some limitation because it is free version, so cannot create drawings and cannot edit models, as well as cannot perform class detection, cannot create or save viewpoints, and also cannot export models, cannot create beam models, cannot modify project data as well. So you have to know these things. So you can see here, as of now, you can uncheck and click OK. Close this one. You can see this one is open Navisworks. If you have any file regarding the Navisworks, you can open here and we can view. So as of now I don't have any file related to Navisworks. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.